Hi everybody, I'm Dave.
And I'm Brenda.
We just found some interesting construction going on over in the Sawgrass Grove Entertainment area. There's something going on the dance floor area, I would call it, in front of the stage. So we're gonna take the drone over, take a little closer look at what it is, and we'll see if we can figure out what the next steps in the construction is over here.
More speculations.
More speculations. All right, let's get the drone up.
Let's go.
All right, we are now at the Sawgrass Grove Entertainment area. Couple things have changed, something very specific. I'll get over there and show you in a minute, but we'll do a quick flyby and let you see. Yeah, it's the exterior doesn't look a whole lot different. I think it's still gonna be quite a while before they're ready to open, but there is a significant change on one item. So let me scoot over there.
Okay.
So you watch my traffic for me, Brenda? Let me know when I can scoot across. Get a little height on it.
Okay, not yet.
Get myself over here near the edge of the road.
Yeah.
We can't go over moving vehicles with the drone, so we're gonna, just like crossing the road, walking, we're gonna look for an opening and we'll run across.
Like playing Frogger.
Yeah, it is like playing Frogger.
This side is okay, but that side, all right, after that white vehicle right there. Okay.
All right. We're on the run.
Run. Yep, got it.
All right, we are safe over the construction site now.
Yes.
All right, and then what I want to do, I want to kind of go up high, and then I'll turn around and aim this camera straight down, and we'll start looking at what I was talking about. I'll start bringing, there's the Ezelle Rec Center. That is now open. Over here to the left, that's the Clifton Cove putting course. It's still not open yet. I mean, it looks about ready. I think maybe they're just waiting for some things to green up. That's my guess. All right, let's look down here, and I'll get myself centered. Right there is McGraddy's Pub. And you start to see, okay, we're starting to see here on the ground, on the ground here, you'll see like some sort of footings. So let me get lined up here. Now, remember, this area for this stage is supposed to be covered. And the idea is they're going to try and make it look like a citrus grove. So we're going to zoom down. These are really big footing openings. So they're for some sort of structure for sure. Just so you know, Brenda is spotting for me again.
I'm right here.
As I'm watching what you're looking at on the screen. Now there's actually, I think there was 6. Yeah, there's 2 up there. I see these 4 footings right here, and I'll back up so you can see these back ones. You can kind of get a little bit of a feel. Notice that ladder on the ground. To put perspective, these are huge footings they're happening. So let's go over to one of them and kind of take a closer look. Again, to give you some perspective of the size. And let me know if I get too low for you, Brenda.
No, you're fine.
Because it looks great on the screen.
I've still got you. Yeah. I'll let you know.
I can see it too. I'm looking up. It's pretty easy to catch it when I'm not close to it. We're actually just across the roadway.
Yeah.
But you can see all that rebar, and then you see that ladder. That's going to be a large piece of concrete. So that tells me it's going to be a pretty decent structure to this. And if there's basically 6 of them, the 2 that were over in the shadows, let me kind of aim up. There's 2 of them up closer to the stage. Like right there's the stage. And I'll line up in front of the stage a little better. Right there's that stage. With 6 of those, I don't know if they're going to be like some sort of large columns or something to hold up the canopy, or if each of those will be like an individual canopy on a single post. I don't know what the final product's going to look like and how you make it feel like you're under an orange grove. So I think that's going to be exciting, and I think we're going to start to see some of this come together in the next few weeks, and maybe we'll get a better feel of what this is going to be like. Of course, there's the stage right there. Sun's kind of behind me over there, so it's probably washing out a little in the sun.
It'll be exciting to see some progress reports from you.
Yeah. And of course, since I'm in here, let's do our scan around, just see if anything's different. Pub's still, you know, well underway. They've closed up the windows, so you can't see what's happening inside. So I don't know, you know, it could be almost complete decorating, or, you know, we really don't know because they've blocked it so you can't see what's happening in there because of people like me that are trying to get information. The bathrooms over there look about ready. And again, there's another angle of one of those footings. Now, I don't think that whole area there, it's not going to take up the whole dance floor. I'm predicting sort of like in the center. In fact, there's a, yeah, let's see. You got a better view? I want to get down on this one here.
You're fine.
I'm starting to look in the middle there between those boards, and it looks like some rebar may be starting to come up. So this may be almost like a large concrete column, and the rest of that is more going to be under the dance floor is what I'm thinking. So I'm thinking you may have that column coming up.
Interesting.
And maybe each one of those will have its own canopy and they'll overlap each other. I don't know. Anyway, it's going to be interesting to see. But it's definitely piqued my curiosity.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've done some siding, I think, since the last time. Put the metal roof on since the last time we flew out here with you guys. And over here at the market, I spin. That's the sales center, of course. You always have to have a sales center in the villages. Right here. Notice that the upper areas of the windows aren't in there, but they've kind of closed it up, which is a good sign, I think. The bottom looks like it still may be open, but at least that means they're able to do some interior work. Last time we were here, the windows were still wide open, and you can't do but so much interior work if you haven't sealed the rain out. So they're making progress. I still think it's going to be a while. I highly suspect they ran into some delays on some materials. Yeah. They work on it each day, but it doesn't seem to be huge amounts of crews out here. So I think they're waiting on some materials. All right, I know that was a fairly quick update, but that's what we wanted to do.
I'm excited about this area.
Last little glimpse over there at Southern Oaks Golf Course on this bright, bright sunny day.
Beautiful.
All right, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on our next update from the villages.
Bye.
Bye.